Is your Shopify store's homepage stealing the spotlight when it should be driving customers exactly where you want them to go? Today, we're going to show you how to remove the homepage from your Shopify navigation, creating a streamlined experience that boosts conversions and keeps visitors engaged. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Next, on the left-hand sidebar, hover over Online Store and then click on Navigation. You'll see a list of your store's menus. Typically, the one you'll want to edit is labeled Main Menu, so click on the title of your main menu. Now you should see a list of the links currently in your main menu. Find the link labeled Home. To remove the home page from the navigation, click the trash can icon or the Remove button next to Home. A confirmation window might pop up. Confirm that you want to remove the link. Finally, be sure to click the Save Menu button in the top right corner to save your changes. Congratulations, you've successfully removed the homepage from your Shopify navigation. This will give you more control over where your customers land and enhance their shopping experience on your site. Now go ahead and make other customized changes and follow us for more tips and tricks.